Hello everyone, this is Sophie from Top 6 Locks. Today I'd like to introduce a kind of small cuber push lock used for RV furniture and RV drawers. This is a very hot selling product. This product has two sizes. This is the small size, and this is the bigger size. And it has three colors: matte black, cool, and brush nickel. Now, I will introduce the three advantages of this lock. The first advantage is the material of the locking mechanism. The material of the locking mechanism we use is the P08 This is ours and this is others. The plastic we use is the P08 It's better than the ordinary ABS plastic used by most manufacturers on the current market. So our locking mechanism is relatively more friction resistant, smoother to use, and have a longer service life. Second of all, the rubber pad we use is made of TPE material. This white rubber pads. This design allows us to press the button more smoothly and has a quieter effect. The most important thing is that using these rubber pads can reduce friction by 90% to extend a service life. The last advantage is the surface finishing of the push lock. For the matte black one, we use environmentally friendly black paint and add anti-UV materials so that our products can last for 5 years without fading or peeling off the pads. For the brush nickel model, we have carried out an oil sealing surface finish so that it will not oxidize or fade. And for the chrome model, we have polished the surface to give it a mirror effect. Now, let's show the products more clearly. This is the big one. This is the small one, and the bigger one. That's all about the small cuber push lock. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.